everyone. My name is Julen Ngi. I am from Amliang. Today I am sitting over here to introduce a book, Huckleberry Finn. Our school library is having a book which I like very much. One of my friends showed me a certain book and said that it was his favorite book. He also said that it was the second part of the most famous adventures of Huckleberry Finn written by Mark Twain. I borrowed the book from the librarian on advice of my friend. And when I went home that day, I had an immediate lunch, went to my room and started reading the book. How interesting was it? The main character was Huckleberry Finn, who was a poor English boy, whose father was a third-class drunkard. This father wanted to get his son's fortune, which he yet get previously in yet another adventure, Tom Sawyer, his friend. So Finn runs away from his father's custody and meets another boy. This boy was Jim, who had been running away from his master. He had been a slave boy. The two friends go to a sea and get onto a ship. They become friendly with the seamen and go on fishing. They also go to various islands in the sea and engage themselves in many adventures. At last, they come home. Finn finds that his father was dead. He was no more in danger. Jim also gets his freedom through Finn's help. This interesting children's novel had been written by a well-known English author, Mark Twain, who had previously written a famous book, Tom Sawyer. Both these books are popular even today. Millions of children throughout English-speaking world must have read this book. Much more than Tom Sawyer, it was The Adventures of Huckleberry Finn, which was the most interesting book I have ever read. Thank you.